Today we're going to learn about love. The word love in Thai. There's a different type of love. Okay, how to use a word beyond I love you, blah, 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 boring. I'll get on to that too. But, love can be many things. Love to eat, love food, love dogs, love cats, and whatever. So many types of loves. I'm going to tell you how to use them. Okay, the word is love. Here we go. Love is rak, rak, rak. Roll my tongue is rak. If you don't want to roll your tongue, you just say lak, lak. With an L instead of an R. รัก ผมรักคุณ means I love you. ผมรักคุณ It's the same thing. I'll get to that in a little bit. But the first one is love. It's รัก รัก or ลัก. It depends on what one you want to learn. All right, first one. You see a pet, you see a dog, you see a cat, you see a bird, you see a worm. Oh my God, that's so cute, right? Cute. It's น่ารัก น่ารัก น่ารักmeans cuteness. Like, you see a baby, you see a kid, right? You see a puppy, cute, น่ารัก or whatever. It can be anything. It doesn't have to be people. It can be objects. It can be a flower. Someone gave you a flower. It's always cute, น่ารัก, right? It can be a little pastry, or it can be cake, ice cream. It's so small, it's so petite, it's cute. Or you see someone, you think they're cute, you should say น่ารัก น่ารัก can be a form of flirtation as well. But it depends on the context. Doesn't mean everything you say is going to have to be flirting. น่ารัก means cute. Next one is couples. Couples that love each other. They're married or not married, don't matter. They're a couple, boyfriend, girlfriend, husband and wife. Or whatever it is, or just lovers, friend but benefits, right? We call it คู่รัก 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 means couples, but not many people use that word unless they you try to make a toast. You're making a toast to hey, I'm going to make a toast to คู่รัก means loving couples over there. They don't really use that in a regular conversation, like informally. You're not just going to say คู่รักนั้น No, they don't say that unless you're writing a novel. But I'm teaching all this stuff because it's a learning journey. You need to learn this stuff. คู่รัก is like what it means. It means couples. คู่ means two, together, just two. All right? คู่รัก means love. Loving for two, between the two person. Okay? คู่รัก means couples, loving couples. Yeah. Best friends. My best friends, your best friend, everyone's best friends. Bodo's your best friends. เพื่อนรัก 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 means best friends. เพื่อน means friends. If you haven't seen that video yet, I'll put the link at the end of the video. Okay, this one is เพื่อนรัก means best friends. Even though it's the word รัก means love, they are loving each other in a friendship ways, not the romantic ways. Don't think like, because I'm using the word love and friend is like, it's like loving friends. It's like, no, เพื่อนรัก means best friends, best buddy, childhood friend. เพื่อนรัก It has nothing to do with a romantic relationship at all. เพื่อนรัก That's far from that, actually. It's far from being romantically involved. เพื่อนรัก Let's call it a friend zone. You just enter the friend zone. You become เพื่อนรัก best friends. All right? Now, next one. True love. True love is รักจริง 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 means true love. It's not fake love. It's true love. All right? รักจริง ผมรักจริง means I really love you. Okay? Dang it.ผม รักจริง or it can be anything. It doesn't have to be like a romantic relationship with another person. It can be art. It can be your music. You have a love for music. ผม รักจริง Okay? I love my music. So passionate about it. I love my book writing. I love my game playing. I want to be a gamer, right? I love playing game. ผม รักจริง Or it can be involved in a romantic relationship. Is ผมรักจริง It depends on the context. It depends on who you're talking to. But if you want to show that you are passionate about what you do and you have a true love for that, true passion, you can say รักจริง next one first love รักแรก first time ever รักแรกรักแรก means first love you're like 2 years old okay รักแรก it's a little complex because it's a little difficult because you have to roll your tongue a lot right รักแรกรักแรก just say you can say รักแรกแรกแรก or แรก is a falling tone แรกแรก alright รักแรก means first love now if you got your tone wrong it'll be รักแร้แร้ high tone รักแร้ means armpit so be careful man รักแรก means first love รักแร้ means armpits that's kind of weird isn't it anyway all right next one man love at first sight in Thai in the old days they called it รักแรกพบรักแรกพบรักแรกพบ means love at first sight not many people say that anymore it's modern days now and it's kind of old ways but you know a lot of people are still using it just to be different just to be funny or to be flirtation right but a lot of time people still use that really to describe your relationship and just say if you go to Thailand and you met a girl or a guy right and first time you like fall in love right away and people is like hey man how you guys met you can say hey it's รักแรกพบ means love at first sight people understand that they don't think it's weird it's a little old-fashioned you know you can use it if you want to but it's good to know and the last one is very simple I love you ผมรักคุณผมรักคุณor ฉันรักคุณฉันรักคุณbut again a lot of people is like hey man we don't use ผมรักคุณ you can use whatever you want you know as long as you know the pronouns okay ฉันรักเธอผมรักเขา whatever okay พี่รักน้อง okay or น้องรักพี่ the thing is I don't want to get into the detailed explanation on pronouns because it can be very confusing in Thai culture just say if you're a boyfriend and girlfriend and you're older than her right just say a man love a woman if you're a guy love a girl right if a guy is like older than her you call yourself Pete and she'll call herself Nong. P means brother. Nong means sister. It can be brother loving his sister. It's really weird. That's why I said if you use it wrong, it can come out very, very weird. You know, I get a lot of comment of like, nobody use ผมรักคุณ Well, you can use whatever you want, but I'm just telling you, it might come off as a little, you know what I mean? You know, brother loving a sister. Depends on you. I'm not going to tell you what not to do. You can do whatever you want. You learn from somewhere else, you learn that. But for me, I want to stick with something safe, easy for beginner level. Like ผมรักคุณ means or ฉันรักคุณ or you can say ฉันรักเธอ means I love you. เธอ means is another pronouns for another person. Instead of คุณ is เธอ usually used for you know, female, but some people use for male as well. Before getting to like so complicated of pronouns, you might use it wrong and it come off as a very like creepy. If you want to be a creepy guy, use whatever you want, dude. I'm not gonna stop you. ผมรักคุณฉันรักคุณผมรักเธอฉันรักเธอ Anyway, this video is about love. I hope that it's helpful for you. And my name is Bodo. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. And please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram is Bodo_Thai. Okay? And I'll see you next time. Peace.